It all started with a song on the wind and a young girl answering the call of a hidden land. So began the legend of Wildwood Grove. Cross through an ancient fallen log and step into Dollywood's newest land of discovery and adventure. Here in Wildwood Grove, the natural beauty of the Smokies combines with the power of pure imagination. Listen, the song on the wind really does exist. It's the sound of live music drawing you in toward the towering Wildwood tree. From here, the heart of the land, excitement branches out in all directions. Go one way, and suddenly you're in bear territory. But don't worry, the residents of Black Bear Trail couldn't be friendlier. In fact, they're happy to provide a ride while introducing visitors to the bear basics. Go another way, and the exciting adventures continue at Wildwood Creek, a splash pad positively overflowing with aquatic family fun. And just around the bend, the sounds of pure euphoria. The rides of Wildwood Grove deliver thrills for adventurers of all ages. Take an exhilarating flight on Dragonflier, a suspended family coaster that twists, turns, and soars. As the sun sets, friends and family gather under the great Wildwood tree for a stunning display that lights up the night. From one irresistible moment to the next, the spirit of this place calls out for you to come, explore, play, and imagine together at Wildwood Grove.